it's Idrk. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, we're just kind of like sitting down, doing whatever, doing a little get ready with me. I was kind of feeling like doing a soft glam look. I know this was like super popular. Like I think I have another like soft glam look of like trying it, but like this isn't like that type of video. This is just like a get ready with me, but I just happen to want to do like soft glam just to like try it again because it has been a while since I did it, and I'm just like, that's the kind of look I'm going for today. So I guess if you guys want to see my soft glam get ready with me, then just keep on watching. Okay, so like always, I'm just gonna start by priming my eyes with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. I kind of want to do like a soft glam cut crease, so like it's not gonna be like a super intense cut crease. It's just gonna be like, you can kind of tell that it's a cut crease, but it's gonna be super soft, super like light glam, if you know what I mean. That's just kind of what I'm feeling right now. So after I put concealer on my lids, I'm just gonna take some skin color powder and set my lids with it, just to make sure everything is set, and also like to darken up that concealer a little bit. Not darken it up, but make it look more my skin tone. And just to make sure I got every little spot, I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush in that shade and just like go over the like under my brow, just because like that's where eyeshadow doesn't necessarily always hit. And you guys see how it's like blending more into my skin than when it did when I just had the concealer. So that's what I like, period. Remember that song, follow me hoes, period, run that check, I'm serious. Me and my sister, it was me, my sister, my mom, we were listening to like Pandora, just doing whatever, and that song came on. I was like, follow me hoes. I was like, I used to be obsessed with this song. I completely forgot about it. Okay, so for today's look, we're going to be using that skin color shade that we used, but also the Shade and Light eye palette. This is an oldie. I've had it for a long time. It's not bad or anything, but I haven't used it. It has very neutral shades. I honestly don't know why I never used it before, but we're using it today. So yeah, we're just gonna take these two colors and maybe that color. But first things first, I'm gonna take that skin color shade and dip it into the second brown in the Shade and Light eye palette and just lightly blend that on the lid. Okay, now we're gonna take the second to last shade and just put it in the same spot. It's looking good, like very neutral and stuff, but I still want to be able to see it, you know what I mean? So I'm just kind of like blending that second to last color in with it, just to give a little bit more like vibrance, not vibrance, but like pigmentation. Now I'm gonna do the other eye. Also, when I try to do like soft glam makeup, I just try to do like makeup that usually accentuates my features or like makes my features look better, if that makes sense. So just doing a little bit like a cappuccino eye, I feel like just goes so well with like my skin tone and everything. Is just my opinion. Well, it goes well with like every skin tone, but I'm saying like for me, like a cappuccino brown eye looks really pretty in my opinion. So I'm just gonna do that, and then we're also gonna, like I was saying, I like to accentuate, or like not accentuate, but like make features look good, I guess. So we're gonna kind of blend it out into the temple just so it gives that lifted look. We'll take concealer and like clean it up so it's sharper. Okay, and I kind of remember in my first soft glam look or whatever, I kind of did like a half cut crease higher. So I kind of just want to do a low full cut crease, but not super intense to where you can like really see the cut crease. Like you'll see what I mean. And this is just like a get ready with me, not really a tutorial. So yeah, babes. Also, usually like when I do a cut crease, I would do a lighter concealer, but this one is the one that I use to like conceal my eyebrows. It's as close to my skin color. Like, it's not completely close, but it looks lightweight here. I don't know why it looks light, but closer than I would usually use. So you see how it's like kind of closer to my skin tone, but we're gonna take this shade and also the first shade and mix those together and set the lid shade, because we don't want it to be like, we still want it to be a little bit closer to my skin tone than this. So we're just gonna set that. See? Okay, and then let me do the other eye, and then we're gonna do eyeliner. Okay, great. Now I'm gonna do I don't know if I want to do a wing. We'll figure it out. I might do a wing. I might just do some liner on the lash line because I love doing that. But I think I might do like a wing and then also wing it out a little bit in the corner just to like give that really pretty eye look. But I'm not sure yet. So we'll see. Or, hear me out, I can do a smoky liner. I'll figure it out. Okay, so I just did like a smoked out liner, but I think like inside we're just gonna do like a regular liner just to kind of like darken it up. Also, I like a really dark inner, like, ow, like on the lid liner. So yeah, then we're gonna do a little flick. I think we'll probably do that later, just so if I put foundation on my nose it doesn't like wipe off. I'm gonna move on to foundation. I'm gonna do a little bit of like bronzing, contouring under my foundation. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I forgot to put on primer. Shoot, whatever. This might be a little bit crazy, but I'm gonna put a little bit of powder as well. I never did this before, so I'm just being extra today. I don't got nowhere to go, so if it looks a mess, we'll figure that out together and we just won't do it no more. Now I'm gonna put on foundation. Like I said, I never did the powder and all that stuff that I just did before. So we'll see how it turns out. Honestly, it doesn't look that different at all. Like, you can't even really see it under it. So I'm not gonna do that step all the time because there's no reason, because you can't see it. So don't wanna waste my time. Y'all don't understand how bad I'm fighting the urge to add crystals to this look. But I really like the way it's looking. I mean, I'm pretty much almost done. I just want to do the lips, and then I want to add some white in the inner corner of my eye. Oh, and also lashes. Before I do my lips, I'm gonna put on mascara just so the mascara is a little bit dry when I put on the lashes. Honestly, I kind of feel my best when I have like a soft neutral glam, a soft neutral glam like this. I say neutral glam because it might not be soft glam to everybody, so I'm just like, it's soft glam to me, but neutral, whatever. What kind of lip do I want to do? I'm gonna take the Lorac Gold palette and I'm gonna take Unedited. I'm gonna take that. I'm outlining my lips with it, but also blending it out. Okay babes, I am finished with the soft glam look. I added just 2 little crystals, you know. Listen, I just like having fun with my eyeshadow look, and if I can add crystals, 9 times out of 10, 10 times out of 10, 9.5 times out of 10, I'm probably gonna add them. So I feel like I feel my best when I have on like makeup like this. I just feel like it looks kind of natural, but also like a baddie makeup, so I'm like really obsessed with it. But yeah, thank you guys so much. Well, this is the finished look. Like I said, I'll do a close-up just because I really like the eyeshadow, and I feel like you can kind of see it you can kind of see it from back here, but I want you guys to see it like up close, like the little details of like the cut crease, because I have a wedding to go to on Saturday, which is technically tomorrow, but this isn't filmed on Friday, but it's posted on Friday. And I think I'm gonna do this makeup maybe without the crystals because they're a little bit extra, but I'm not sure. But anyways, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff is on the screen right here, but it also is in the description box down below. So yeah, my beautiful people, thank you so much for watching, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Watch another video, you know, you're already here, so and subscribe.